What if I told you that investors once threw millions at companies with no business plan, no profits, sometimes not even a product? Welcome to the dot-com bubble, when the internet went from gold rush to ghost town in just a few years. Let's break down one of the craziest financial crashes in history in 3 minutes. In the late 1990s, the internet was brand new, exciting, and totally misunderstood. Investors were convinced it would change everything. And honestly, they weren't wrong, but they got ahead of themselves. Startups like Pets.com, Webvan, and eToys promised to revolutionize commerce. Investors didn't care if they made money. All that mattered, having a .com in the name. Between 1995 and 2000, the Nasdaq rose 400%. Companies IPO'd and their stock price would triple, sometimes on the same day. Here's the catch. Most of these companies weren't profitable. Many had no revenue at all, yet they were spending like Fortune 500 giants, lavish parties, celebrity ads, private jets. Analysts began sounding alarms, but fear of missing out, FOMO, kept money pouring in. People truly believed the internet would make them rich overnight. Venture capital firms were funding ideas scribbled on napkins. A working website? Optional. In March 2000, reality hit. The Fed raised interest rates, and well, investors got nervous. Suddenly, earnings did matter. The bubble burst. Billions vanished. Companies collapsed almost overnight. Pets.com, Cosmo, Boo.com, all bankrupt. Over $5 trillion in market value was erased. The crash didn't just affect Wall Street. Thousands lost jobs, retirement funds, and homes. Even big names like Amazon lost over 90% of their stock value. But here's the twist. The internet did change everything. Google, Amazon, and eBay, some of the survivors, grew into giants. The dot-com bubble taught us that innovation needs time, not just hype. And while markets love the next big thing, fundamentals still matter. So, next time a new tech trend goes viral, ask yourself, are we building the future or just inflating another bubble? If you found this breakdown useful, hit that like button, subscribe for more financial deep dives, and comment below, are we in another bubble today?